Hey everyone, it's Jazz, and today we are doing a quick little warm-up routine, really light, really easy, and I really need this, I've got to tell you. Your girl is stiff. I think I heard my hips clacking when I woke up this morning. Yeah, side effects of sitting at a desk all day long. But we are going to fix that. And right after this, I'll be filming one of my stretching routines. So if that's something you're interested in, I'll leave it in the description below. Alright guys, you can do this. We are starting with 30 seconds of jumping jacks. Now that we're done with that, we are going to stretch out our shoulders. Now what I want you to do is to grab your elbow with your opposite hand. Then pull it down as far as you can. Hold for 10 seconds. Now grab your arm so both hands are behind you and hold for 10 seconds. Grab your arm behind you. Now we're going to do some arm circles. I really want you to take your time and feel the rotation through your shoulders. Now do them in the opposite direction. Alright guys, we're warming up to get into another shoulder stretch, which is clasping your arms behind you and leaning down as far as you can. Make sure to keep a straight back, legs, and arms. Awesome job, guys. Now to warm up our back and legs, we are going to do 10 low kicks. Now repeat that on your other side. Now to really target your back, we are going to find something to hold on to for support, and we are going to do 10 backward kicks. So don't kick forward, just kick straight and backwards as high as you can. And now on your other side. Great job, guys. Now we're going to do 10 side lunges on each side just to warm up our hips and legs. Alright guys, now we are going to come down to hold this position and we're going to do this for 20 seconds. Still focusing on our legs, we are going to do some kicks. What you're going to do is lift your leg as high as you can and straighten it. Now we're going to do this 10 times on each leg. Now switch. And of course, we want to stretch our quads, so grab your leg and pull as close as you can. We're going to hold this for 10 seconds and you should feel a really deep quad stretch. Nice work, guys. Alright guys, now we're going to try something new. You're gonna grab your leg as if you were going to go in a scorpion and hold this position. I found that this is a really passive stretch that helps my hamstrings and my hips get nice and warmed up. So if you can do this position, you can just practice with it and yeah, just play around. Also, don't forget to repeat it on your other side so you keep both sides as flexible as possible. Now we're going to do a forward fold, and this is one of my favorite ways to warm up my body. First, try to reach the ground, and if you can do that, hold that position for 10 seconds. A trick to getting into this with a straight back is to try to hinge the movement from your hips. If you can, walk your hands all the way to your feet and grab your ankles. Then pull yourself as close as you can. Now we're going to hold for 30 seconds. And slowly come back up. Nice job. Now I love to warm up my sides so that they're ready for any kinds of tricks or stretches that I'm practicing. And to do this, I just lean over to one side and hold that position. I like to warm up my sides especially because they are some of the places that tend to get injured the most if you don't warm up. Okay guys, one more stretch to warm up our back. We are going to try lean back as far as possible. And let me show you what it looks like. Remember, you don't have to go as far or as low as I'm going. Just try to go as far as it takes for you to feel some kind of stretch. Try to keep your legs straight if you can, but a slight bend in your knee is just fine. Now slowly come back up. Whoops. Ooh, okay. And by now, you should be nice and warmed up. You can take a dance break like I was doing just now. But you should be ready to start your warm-up or your workout routine. Okay guys, we are all ready to start stretching. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, and look at the kitty. Hi kitty. Like, she's so cute.